Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Priskila Naomi. I am from Conservative Dentistry Department, Faculty of Dental Medicine, Universitas Airlangga, Indonesia. And today I would like to present our research with the title of the effect of the combination of calcium hydroxide with green tea extract and calcium hydroxide with cacao peel extract on the number of odontoblast-like cells and collagen type 1. So as we know, dentin and pulp have the same embryological origin and are closely related in terms of anatomy and physiology, so they are described in terms of dental pulp complex. The pulp is where the nerves and the blood vessels are located. When carious trauma iatrogenic factor cause pulp exposure, which may lead to pulp inflammation and if left untreated, will cause necrosis and periapical lesion. So therefore, we have known a treatment to maintain pulp vitality, which is called pulp capping. For years, calcium hydroxide is known as gold standard material for pulp capping because it has ability to break down into calcium and hydroxyl ions and stimulate pulp differentiation in various ways to form reparative dentin. The reparative dentin is the goal of pulp capping. But calcium hydroxide has some drawbacks such as pulp irritation, dissolved when contact with dentinal fluid, prolonged pulp inflammation, and the reparative dentin formed have tunnel defects, which facilitate invasion of bacteria and lead to treatment failure. So in this research, we use some material from nature, like cacao peel and green tea, which are known to have high antioxidant contents, such as epicatechin, epigallocatechin, epigallocatechin gallate, and quercetin. And we observed OLC, or odontoblast-like cells, because reparative dentin is formed by differentiated of odontoblast-like cells derived from pulp mesenchymal stem cells. And we observed collagen type 1 or COL1 because COL1 plays a crucial role in the biomineralization process. It induces the formation of hydroxyapatite crystal, which is the initial formation of reparative dentin. So we hope that if odontoblast-like cells number and collagen type 1 number are increased, so the reparative dentin quality will increase. The green tea and cacao peel extract was made using maceration techniques, and this research is an experimental research. Randomized post-test only control group design is the chosen research design. The number of research subjects was 30 rats, and the rats were divided randomly into 5 groups. All groups were treated with pulp perforation preparation on first molar teeth, given capping materials, and filled with dual cured glass ionomer cement as the final restoration. And in this research, we used Sentient N from Ivoclar 5 dent to test the differences between groups. One-way ANOVA was performed, followed with Taki's test. So from 30 first molars, from 30 rats were prepared until the pulp being exposed and divided into 5 treatment groups with different pulp capping materials. The first group was the control groups. The teeth cavities were treated with calcium hydroxide in combination with sterile saline. The second group is P1 group. The teeth cavities were treated with cacao peel extract. The third group is P2 group. The teeth cavities were treated with calcium hydroxide in combination with cacao peel extract. And the fourth group is P3 group. The teeth cavity was treated with green tea extract. And the last group is P4 group, where the teeth cavities were treated with calcium hydroxide and green tea extract. In D7 and D28, we observed the collagen type 1 and odontoblast-like cells numbers. And here are the results. In D7, we can see that the high average number of OLC and COL1 we found in P4 groups. And on D28, the highest average number of OLC and COL1 we found in P2 and P3 group. Here are some pictures of histopathological description of odontoblast-like cells on day 7 and day 28 with magnification 400 times. And here are some pictures of immunohistochemical description of collagen type 1 on day 7 and day 28 with magnification of 400 times. So when dental pulp exposed, the pulp inflammation occurs. Release of TNF-alpha was upregulated, producing excessive intracellular ROS, activates NF-kappa B. Antioxidants such as EGCG in green tea and cacao extract suppressed activation of NF-kappa B by inhibit IKK, suppressing production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, and inflammatory reaction will be better controlled, and fibroblast proliferation and collagen will increase, where fibroblasts will differentiate to form odontoblast-like cells and increase the expression of collagen type 1 to replace damaged odontoblasts, so better reparative dentin formed. The amount of COL1 is influenced by RUNX2 that increased the expression of specific osteoblast genes such as COL1. One of EGCG effects is increased expression of RUNX2. OLC is the result of differentiation from human dental pulp stem cell, and differentiation from human dental pulp stem cells to OLC is influenced by stimulation of the cytokine TGF-beta. The antioxidant activity of cacao peel extract is higher than that of green tea extract due to its higher EGCG and ECG content, where EGCG and ECG have high antioxidant potential. And here are our conclusions for this research. First, green tea and cacao have antioxidant properties that may inhibit inflammation, thus improve pulp capping result when mixed with calcium hydroxide. The number of odontoblast-like cells and expression of type 1 collagen in the application of calcium hydroxide with cacao peel extract was higher than in the combination of calcium hydroxide with green tea extract. Green tea and cacao can be added to the current endodontic treatments to improve results. That's all our presentations for today. Thank you for your attention.